This year, Dr. Doris Corbett became the new director of the School of Health, Physical Education, and Leisure Services at the University of Northern Iowa. She brings a wealth of experience to this position, including serving as the department head at Howard University. She's authored numerous professional journal articles and academic publications, held many leadership positions, and has been the recipient of many prestigious honors and awards. We are so thankful to have Dr. Corbett here at UNI and serving in the College of Education. We sat down with her to talk about her new position.
I was attracted to the University of Northern Iowa, largely in part for several reasons. One, the people. A couple of years prior to coming here, I had an occasion to come to a conference that UNI was associated with relative to global health and physical education. And it was on that occasion that I met a number of the faculty in the School of HPES, Health, Physical Education, and Leisure Services. And it was also on that occasion that I began to understand that this was an institution that was truly committed to making a difference relative to the promotion of a healthy and fit lifestyles for the citizens of the United States, and particularly the Northern Iowa community. On another occasion, I visited the campus, had to do with Desert Fest, relative to Camp Adventure. And I was embraced by a group of young people that were enthusiastic, and I had an opportunity to see from a broader perspective the commitment of the faculty and students to the promotion of health and fitness, to the promotion of quality health and physical education throughout the world. That's exciting because, as you know, we are in an age, a period where health and wellness is a real concern throughout the United States and in many parts of the world. Obesity is a serious issue. Those were my two initial experiences with the University of Northern Iowa. And then to be invited to apply for the position of director was an exciting opportunity. I am one that historically has enjoyed the experience of challenges on many fronts, and I like a challenge. So this created an opportunity for me to have a different experience in a different part of the country in the Midwest, and to work with wonderful people. I have found since I've been here at UNI that the people have been most receptive, embracing, dedicated, hardworking, committed professionals. And that's an environment I enjoy being a part of. Well, as you may know, the University of Northern Iowa, the School of HPES, Health, Physical Education, and Leisure Services, is a very diverse school. It has a large faculty, and what I like about the School of HPES is that it has hard-working, dedicated professionals who are serious about what they do, believe in what they do, are committed, quality teachers and researchers. And sometimes it's difficult to put that combination together. And here is a combination in the School of HPES where you have strong teacher education programs and you have strong researchers that are committed to making a difference and impacting on the quality of information that's out there about the promotion of health, wellness, and fitness. Herbert Spencer says, "Preservation of health is a duty. Few people are conscious of such a thing as physical morality." I want to say that again because I think it makes the point very clearly for those who are concerned about health-related issues in our American society, who are concerned about obesity, who are concerned about HIV/AIDS, who's concerned about substance abuse, who's concerned about sexual exploitation of our children and young people, teenage pregnancy, all of those issues related to health, fitness, and wellness. Herbert Spencer said, and I repeat this because I think it is very important, that preservation of health is a duty. And few people are conscious of such a thing as physical morality. If we are to make a difference on the front of these issues, then we need to provide our students at a very young age, particularly at the college level, with an understanding of why it is important to practice a healthy and fit lifestyle. We know that it's important to engage in physical fitness, a fitness program on a regular basis. But unless we give them the skills, the knowledge and the skills to practice a healthy and fit lifestyle, they are not going to be able to be productive citizens from an academic perspective. And the faculty in the School of Hypus recognizes this. Their research centers around issues of nutrition, around issues of obesity, around issues of cardiovascular health, around issues that deal with cancer and cardiovascular diseases, around issues of the environment. Our faculty in the School of Health, Physical Education, and Leisure Services are professionally engaged in the academic community, not only at UNI, but throughout the country. They regularly attend professional conferences and meetings, both nationally and internationally. They're on the cutting edge of what's going on in the profession. And because they are on the cutting edge, they are always engaged in the business of creating new knowledge, creating new information, understanding what is going on in the profession, and are committed to making certain that UNI students have access to that information. So it's really very exciting to be a part of a culture that is hardworking, that engages each other in a cooperative way, and that the university is also wanting to promote excellence in all that it does. When you look at the resources in other parts of the world, and you look at the resources here at the University of Northern Iowa, and particularly in the School of Hypus, we have a great deal to be proud of. We have excellent facilities. We have excellent resources. Our students get to work with cadavers, work with laboratories that are first class and can be compared and feel very proud of what we have to offer our students to work with in comparison to anyone throughout the country. It's exciting to be in a university, in a school that has such first class facilities. I'm very pleased to be here.